Today we're making Mapo tofu that everyone can enjoy. Here are the ingredients for this dish. You can also find it in the description down below. Oil the cutting board and let's begin. Let's start with the garlic chives. Remove the stalk part and cut the rest into small pieces. Set it aside in a small bowl for now. Next, cut the tofu into small cubes. I recommend using soft tofu for easier handling. And set the cubes aside. Time to peel the garlic. I usually cut off the end part, then hold down the skin with a knife as I pull off the garlic from it. Cut the cloves into thin slices, or you can dice, but I'm lazy. And set it aside. Next, prepare the stock. Powder or bouillon is okay. Add hot water and stir to dissolve. Time to turn on the stove and oil the pan. Stir fry the garlic and then add the ground beef. Try not to burn the garlic like I did. Add the fermented black beans. Don't add too much because it's salty. Add the chili bean paste. Continue stir frying to meld all the flavors. Red pepper flakes in. Adjust the spice to your liking. You're not cooking for a restaurant. Add a tablespoon of sweet bean paste. Mix before adding the stock. Pour the stock until everything is halfway submerged. Push all the ingredients into the stock. Add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add the tofu in. Remove the excess oil and scum. Pour the starch mixture. Make sure there's a lot more water than starch, otherwise it'll harden after it cools down. Finally, garlic chives for aroma and flavor and let it boil for a couple of minutes. I recommend adding black pepper powder or crushed peppercorns before serving. Taste and adjust the flavor if needed. And that's a wrap. Masarap. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. SideQuest out.